how to change Facebook account on Monopoly Go. So all you have to do is to go here to your application and just wait for it to load. So here it will look like this. Now on the upper right, you'll see the 3 dash lines there. Click on that. And then here on the bottom part, you will see the settings option. Click on the settings option here. So since we want to change the Facebook account that is connected to our Monopoly Go, just simply tap on connect account. Now here you will see 3 options. So since we want to change it via Facebook account, then here the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna disconnect your Monopoly Go to your current Facebook account. Now if you click on disconnect there and confirm disconnect, you will be automatically logged out. So the next thing you're gonna do, input or add the new Facebook account that you want to register your Monopoly Go. Now basically, if you log into that new Facebook account connecting to your Monopoly Go, you will now be able to change your Facebook account on your Monopoly Go. And basically that is it, and that is how you change your Facebook account on Monopoly Go. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.